CRCL stock analysis. This is for tomorrow, Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 4-minute video till the end to find out. That's I'm especially overviewing Circle Internet Group. We had this correction phase, which is $200 now, and honestly speaking, I'm very open-minded for more longs. $200 is a great fair price because I was here buying this when it was like 76. Yeah, it was 76, 77 bucks at the time to 104, just like a month ago. And unironically, man, let's go 1 hour chart here. If there's not a second break above this place, now I had like a pretty big candlestick kind of flip, and if I do not see a full candle closes around on like 210 bucks, then bro, I'm not touching this whatsoever, not buying, you know what I mean? So I appreciate how we're having this pullback, but it must give me that second break above that 210 level. And I'm not gonna be in a rush because rush is imaginary. Like there's all these other ticker symbols to focus on. Don't have to rush anything really. And I do have a lot of receipts in my Discord server regarding CRCL. So if you want my exact play and all that good jazz, my Discord and picks, click the first link in the description. Absolutely risk-free. 1,200 people have enrolled.